Hey gamers! Ever joined a Fortnite squad or pub voice chat and frozen because you didn't know what to say? Like when your teammate yells flank left and you're just like, huh, if you're learning English and love esports, this video is for you. I'm your host, and today we'll master 10 essential voice chat phrases for Fortnite and pub. No more awkward silences, you're going to sound like a pro. Stick around for tips, examples, and even a quick quiz. Hit that like button if you're ready to level up your English. Let's squad up. First off, why bother? Gaming is global. Over 500 million people play Fortnite and PUBG, and most voice chats are in English. If you're from a non-English country, missing the slang can lead to epic fails, like getting sniped because you said go right instead of flank right, but get it right, and you'll make friends, win more games, and even climb the esports ranks. These tips are perfect for beginners to intermediates and will even cover pronunciation. We'll go over commands, reactions, and yes, even a little trash talk. Ready? Let's drop in. Tip number 1, drop hot. This means landing in a really busy area to get quick loot and immediate action. Pronunciation: drop ... hot. Say it fast in your voice chat. Guys, drop hot on tilted towers. It shows you're bold and ready to fight. A common mistake is saying land hot. It just sounds weird. Practice this. Drop hot. Let's gear up. Tip 2, flank M. This is short for flank them. It means to sneak around the enemy from the side for a surprise attack. Pronounce it like this: flank M, like the word them, but without the sound. For example, flank M from the left while I cover. Many non-native speakers might say go side, but flank is pure pro gamer lingo. Imagine your teammate says enemy at 12 o'clock. You reply, flanking now, boom, victory royale. Tip 3, GG. This simply stands for good game. You say it at the end of a match, whether you win or lose, just to be respectful. Think of it like a active pronunciation, G ... G. In pub, you could say tough match, GG squad. Don't say goodbye, that's confusing in this context. It's universal esports etiquette that makes you sound chill and friendly. Tip number 4, rush the zone. This means you need to run fast to the safe circle before it shrinks and damages you. Pronounce it rush ... the zone. A Fortnite example would be storms closing, rush the zone. An ESL tip here: rush implies hurrying with purpose, while run fast is just too basic. Definitely avoid saying go circle. Other players won't understand the urgency. Tip 5, ping it. You use the in-game ping feature to mark spots on the map, and then you say this to confirm it to your team. Pronunciation is just like it sounds. Ping it, like the sound a bell makes. In pub, you could say, ping the crate, cover me. A common error is to say point it, but ping is the specific term for the game mechanic. This is a pro move that saves critical time in heated battles. Tip 6, noob mistake. Noob is slang for a newbie or beginner. You can use this lightly for funny errors, but be careful not to bully anyone. Pronounce it noob. It rhymes with tube. For example, haha, jumping off a cliff without a glider. Classic noob mistake. When used playfully in voice chat, it can build laughs and camaraderie. Just don't overuse it. Keep the vibe positive. Tip 7. Revive me. In duo or squad modes, this is what you yell when you're downed and need a teammate to heal you. Pronounce it re-vive ... In Fortnite, you'd shout, downed. Revive me quick. Some non-native speakers might say help me up, which is understandable, but revive is the official game term. Picture this, you're down and you yell, I'm downed. Your teammate responds, on it reviving. That's a clutch save. Tip 8. Loot and rotate. This means to grab items and gear from an area and then immediately move to a new strategic position. The pronunciation is loot, like the word suit, single quotes, ... and rotate. In pub, you'd say, loot this house, then rotate east. It's efficient lingo. Loot specifically means to search for gear. A common mistake is saying search and go. That sounds more like a scavenger hunt, not a tactical gaming move. Tip 9. Clutch it. This means to pull off an amazing win under intense pressure, especially when you're outnumbered. Pronounce it clutch. It like you're grabbing something tightly. For example, if your friend is in a 1 versus 3 situation, you'd cheer them on by saying, clutch it, bro, and after they win, you celebrate with, you clutched that. This term actually comes from sports like basketball and is now Esports Gold. It makes you sound super experienced. And tip number 10, easy clap. Easy is short for easy, and clap implies you defeated them so decisively, it was like a simple clap of the hands. You use this sparingly after a big win. That was easy clap. Pronounce it E-Z ... clap. In Fortnite, you might say this after a full squad wipe. But a word of warning, this can be seen as salty or arrogant. If you want to be nice, just say GG instead. It's all about balancing fun and respect. Now, let's test yourself with a quick quiz. Pause the video and say the right phrase out loud for each scenario. Question 1. An enemy is coming from behind. What do you say? A. Go back. B. Flank M. Or C. Run fast. The answer is B. Flank M. Question 2. The match just ended. What do you say? A. Bye BJG or C. See you? Yep, it's BJG. Question 3. You've been knocked down and need healing. What's the phrase? A. Help. B. Revive me. Or C. I'm hurt. The correct answer is B. Question 4. The safe circle is shrinking fast. Do you say A. Move now, B. Rush the zone, or C. Go safe? It's B again. And question 5. Your teammate pulls off an epic comeback. Do you say a good job, B. Clutch it, or C. Nice try? The answer is B. How'd you do? If you got 4 or more right, you're officially sbadgery. Just remember to practice flank MGG and revive me daily. Try recording yourself in a mock voice chat. It'll seriously boost your confidence. Here are a few bonus tips. Speak clearly and a bit slow. At first, other gamers will appreciate it. Mix your phrases with in-game pings to avoid any misunderstandings. And watch English-speaking streamers on Twitch to hear these phrases in real time. A common ESL mistake is translating word for word from your native language, like saying behind attack instead of flank. Practice in solo mode or with friendly teammates first. These little changes will make your voice chats epic. There you have it, 10 ways to dominate voice chats in Fortnite and PUBG with English flair. Which phrase are you going to use first? Comment below and make sure to subscribe for more niche English lessons like AI English or meme slang. You can join my Discord for practice squads. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, GG, and I'll see you in the next battle. Peace out.